everyone, we're back again at the High Owl Hotel. We thought we'd just show you what we do when we don't have a safe, because we do have a solution for that. So if you look here, you can see that we've got a little padlock on the zips of our cases. So we use our cases as a proxy safe, and we've got one on mine as well. And then we carry with us steel wire bike lock and another padlock, and typically what we do is we padlock it to some bit of immovable furniture like here. Now obviously this isn't 100% secure. If someone was really determined to get into our bags or to steal them, they could, but it's quite a good deterrent, and we feel quite secure in putting our stuff that we want to keep safe inside our cases when we don't have a safe in our rooms. Hello again. Here's another little security tip that we use in the rooms that we're staying in. Very easy, very cheap. A door wedge. Only cost you a couple of dollars. But everywhere we stay, as well as locking the door, we just put the wedge underneath just to make sure no one can open the door on us. If you enjoyed our video, maybe you'll like this one.
And if you want to see more Bridges on the Road, click on our logo to subscribe to our channel.